Welcome. My name is Reaz, and this is my channel echoenvision. Today I brought you income-generating ideas for students. Are you a student looking to earn some extra cash? You're in the right place. Here are some great income-generating ideas just for you. Many students struggle with finances. Balancing tuition, books, and living expenses can be tough. Luckily, there are creative ways to earn money without compromising your studies. Let's dive into some effective ideas. First up, online tutoring. If you're skilled in a subject, help others understand it. You can set your hours and work from anywhere. Next, consider freelance work. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr allow you to offer skills, like writing or graphic design. It's flexible and lets you take on projects when you have time. Have a hobby? Turn it into a side hustle. If you're into crafting, selling your creations on platforms like Etsy can be rewarding. Another great idea is to become a virtual assistant. Many businesses hire remote workers for tasks like scheduling or social media management. This can provide valuable experience too. Don't forget about participating in surveys or market research. It might not pay much, but it's easy and can be done in your spare time. Lastly, look into part-time jobs on campus. These positions often understand student schedules. Plus, they can be a great way to meet new friends. By exploring these options, you can generate income while balancing your education. Each idea offers flexibility for your schedule. With dedication and time management, each of these income-generating ideas can fit seamlessly into your life as a student. Remember, the key to success lies in finding something you enjoy and that aligns with your skills. Consider setting specific goals for how much you want to earn each month. This will give you a target to work towards and help you stay motivated. Break your goals down into actionable steps, whether it's applying to 3 freelance gigs a week or dedicating a certain number of hours to tutoring. Additionally, keep track of your progress. Seeing how much you've earned can be both rewarding and encouraging. Stay organized, and don't hesitate to reach out for support from fellow students or mentors who can provide guidance as you navigate these new ventures. Balancing school with work can seem daunting, but with the right mindset, it's completely achievable. Begin by making a list of your skills and interests, as this will guide you in choosing the best opportunities. Whether you excel at math, writing, or web design, identifying your strengths can help you target your efforts effectively. Consider reaching out to classmates or community members who may need your expertise. Networking is crucial. Word of mouth can often lead to unexpected opportunities. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of social media. Platforms like LinkedIn can help you connect with potential clients or employers. Set aside time each week to look for new gigs and opportunities, and keep your portfolio updated to showcase your work. The more proactive you are in seeking income-generating chances, the more successful you'll become in managing your finances. Remember, persistence is key, and each small step will bring you closer to financial independence as a student. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how minor they may seem, as they are important milestones on your journey. Take time to reflect on what you've learned from each experience. Every project you undertake helps build your skills and confidence. As you continue to adapt and grow, you will discover more ways to enhance your income while succeeding in your academic pursuits. Embrace this journey and let it enrich your student life. Embrace these strategies and remember that every effort counts. Stay focused on your goals and be open to learning. As you explore these income avenues, you'll not only enhance your bank account but also gain valuable skills for the future. Your student life can be fulfilling both intellectually and financially if you take positive steps today. By taking charge of your finances now, you're not just preparing for today, but setting the stage for a successful future. With determination and creativity, you can thrive in both your studies and your financial goals, ensuring a brighter tomorrow. Remember, every small effort adds up to significant change. In summary, consider online tutoring, freelancing, selling crafts, virtual assistants, market research, or campus jobs. These avenues can help you manage your finances. Start exploring these income opportunities today. Take action now and make your student life financially easier. Like and subscribe for more tips on thriving as a student. Echoenvision.